What is happening, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the, you know what it is. It's Mace, and I'm in the building for Screw Face Gene and Ezekiel Miller, the Filipino killer. He's coming through hard the last couple of months with everything that he's been up to. He's killing it. Screw Face Gene, I am not familiar with, so this will be the first time I've heard his music, his rapping, his emceeing. So this is titled Righteous and Ratchet, the official music video. Shout out to these two gentlemen. I hope they kill it. I'm sure they will. Let's have a listen to this. Let's see what this is all about. Let's break it down and let's see if it gets our heads bobbing. Hope everyone's doing fantastic. It is freaking hot here, man. It's like 37 degrees, I think. Probably feels like 40 or something. We don't usually get this type of heat up here, so hopefully they bring the equal level of heat as we have here. All right, let's go. Kamusta? What's going on, everyone? Let's do this.
Oh, time to get to it. Let's get right to the... Hello?
Hey, what up, cuz?
What's poppin'?
Man, you already know it's time to get righteous and ratchet.
Oh, yeah. It's about that time.
Screwface is sitting down. I know he's a reactor. I've seen his thumbnails before and stuff like that. So he was sitting down to do his reaction. And Easy Mill is giving him a show. It's time to get righteous and ratchet. Let's go.
It's about that time.
You already know, man. Let's go.
I came from the sand, that's my holy land. Overstand you could die for an open hand. Niggas turn stone cold, start throwing cans. They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band, like Axel, I rose and stand. And we think it's the Corleone fam. Like OnlyFans, you fucked off, then it's short of came in righteous in the...
Like Axel, I rose... That Axel Rose, Guns N' Roses. Whew. Screwface. Let's go back.
Land. Overstand you could die for an open hand. Niggas turn stone cold, start throwing cans. They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band, like Axel, I rose and stand. And we think it's the Corleone fam. Like OnlyFans, you fucked off, then it's short of came in righteous in the broken land. All of that chicken, none of that chat. We give it a right to the rest. Bitches be talking, but bitches be capping. We give it a right to the rest. Hey, we give it a right to the rest. I came from the bottom with people to start. We give it a right to the rest. So what the fuck you call that? They all cap look at top hats. A fucking nigga want all that. You niggas all whack. Fuck the game, take it all back. Don't you know I came from all scraps? I came from humble beginners. Until I'm fucking, I'm winning. The middle lane is full of snakes. I got a ton full of venom. There's an army in the village, better run around with us. Face the general, easy to fucking lieutenant. Let's get it.
Similar situation, I'm killing on your bitch cause I'm lyrically amazing. I'm killing your love, bitches.
Huh? Hi, Nako. Oi.
Game, take it all back. Don't you know I came from all scraps? I came from humble beginners. Until I'm fucking, I'm winning. The middle lane is full of snakes. I got a ton full of venom. There's an army in the village, better run around with us. Face the general, easy to fucking lieutenant. Let's get it.
Similar situation, I'm killing on your bitch cause I'm lyrically amazing. I'm killing your love, bitches.
Nakakabaliw sila, ay!
All that, you niggas all whack. Fuck the game, take it all back. Don't you know I came from all scraps? I came from humble beginners. Until I'm fucking, I'm winning. The middle lane is full of snakes. I got a ton full of venom. There's an army in the village, better run around with us. Face the general, easy to fucking lieutenant. Let's get it.
Similar situation, I'm killing on your bitch cause I'm lyrically amazing. I'm killing your love, bitches. Some blue faces on my stack, homie. Give a fuck where you from at, homie. Send me your addy, we put it up now. Send me the addy, we put it up now. Fuck up, we block it, we wanna get down. Now you got murder on the car. Who fucking tested dollar on the rigger? We gon' run the X and driving in the sprinter. We the SMS signing with the living like a homie's rest in peace t-shirt. I ain't playing, y'all gonna get beat worse. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. Quick shit.
None of that chat. We can be right to the rest. Bitches be talking, but bitches be capping. We can be right to the rest.
Hi, Nako. Oi. I'm sorry, you guys. I need the lyrics for this shit. I didn't understand really. Like, I didn't compute. Like, I understand snippets, but I can't compute this shit. I don't know if my brain is fried from the heat. I mean, the beat is fire. Their flows are fire, and I like how Easy Mill he's kicking a different style here, a different flow. Screwface has kind of like that deep timbre to his voice, but a limber flow as well. Both lyrical guys. Both guys are obviously fans of the craft of wordplay, of lyricism. So this is a cool track. I'm gonna need the lyric sheet for this shit though. Like, Heinoko, oi.
We can be ratchet and ratchet. See, bitches be talking, but bitches be capping. We can be ratchet and ratchet. Hey, hey. We can be ratchet and ratchet. I come from the bottom with people are starving. We can be ratchet and ratchet. Hey.
Shit up is stained up in a demon whip. Got the cane cup, that a fiend can sip. But the A, but to let the evil get another thing. Fuck shit for the semen, tripping on down for a bullet of soul. Y'all see an angel, but none of you know. Y'all getting booed up with thinking she righteous, but she hit me up and she paid for the pole.
So ready and go, I said it before. If they snakes like Medusa, let's set in stone. Now there's some things that the Reverend don't know.
Snakes like Medusa is set in stone. He's got the wordplay. He's coming with the wordplay. Easy's got a different vocal style on this track. Anybody notice?
In stone, now there's some things that the Reverend don't know. I know some secrets that's never gonna show. Cause if they get out, they go kick in my house and I'll go in the bay where the pelicans go. Cause the posse be like a hockey team, gotta stick them with a semi, they pros. Like a mobster, eat a lobster with pasta. Just to stop us, you gon' need plenty options. Body on my bodyguards, Kevin Costner. Fuck it, I'ma pass the mic to my partner.
Body on bodyguards. Bodyguard Kevin Costner. That's like relatively obscure. He's making a reference to the film Bodyguard, starring Kevin Costner from like 1990 something.
You gonna need plenty options.
But bro, like these two, they got some good chemistry, man. They got some good chemistry. Potential group. Hey, EP, maybe kick an EP.
Body on my bodyguards, Kevin Costner. Fuck it, I'ma pass the mic to my partner.
Screw and stomping our heads like a soccer. Deflating those booty shells that they blanco. We launching Boeings to set up the Hasa. So get to home and then set up your starter.
All of that. All that chat. We can be righteous and ratchet. Some bitches be talking, but bitches be capping. We can be righteous and ratchet. Hey, hey. We can be righteous and ratchet. I came from the bottom with people are starving. We can be righteous and ratchet. Hey.
Aye. Village Boy, the album. So is that Screwface's album? Village Boy. Screwface got a feature with Tech 9. Hell yeah, man. That's inspirational right there. You have a YouTube rapper, or at least you got to start YouTube rap reactions and all of that, and he's collaborating with Tech 9. You know, if you apply 6 Degrees of Separation, Tech 9 collabed with Eminem, and I mean countless other legendary MC. Tech 9's quite a legend himself in that arena, the independent rap arena that he's created. So that's cool. Grind, hustle. That's inspirational for Screwface. Easy Mill killed it. The guys created a banger. It's a banger. I need the lyric sheet. I'm sorry, you guys. I could give it another listen and catch some more bars, but I just can't compute. I can't compute the shit today. I'm sorry. I can't compute it. It's too hot. It's too hot. I'm dying here, man. Oh my gosh. Ay nako. Oy. Anyways, paalam. We'll see you soon. Salamat for watching. Ikinalulugod ako makilala ayo. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace out, everyone. Later. Laters.